Greetings, fellow scale modelers. I hope you all are doing well through this trying time we're having. With that said, I wanted to do a short video on a product I recently purchased. One tough thing for me as a modeler is these magnifier headpieces and magnifier glasses on the arm. You know, they never really just felt right, or they're too bulky, or could never get them positioned right. So I went to do a little searching, and I found this magnifier set of glasses on Amazon. And of course, they're from China. But what kind of attracted me to them is that the LEDs are in the center of the glasses. Normally they're out on the edges, and this really bothers my peripheral vision. I don't know if it does yours, but I wanted to try these, so I thought I would do a short video of opening the box, and let's take a look at it and see what kind of things we can find out about it. I'll put a link to these in the notes of the video. So let's open it up. Yes, and the company is YOCTOSUN. Forgot to mention that. It's nice. I have a thank you card. Okay. Okay, instructions. Let's just take a quick look at these and see how they look. They seem to be pretty good. Very thorough. They even talk about what type of chargers you can use with a USB cable. These are USB charged, and of course, you know, that's the Chinese side. The way these work is there are 4 sets of lens for these glasses. Well, let's look at the frames first and see. Pretty sturdy, and there's a button on each side, it looks like. There's one. And there's one. Okay. Then, of course, we have the LEDs and a nice padded nose piece. That's nice. Okay, let me turn on the LEDs. Okay, so that's low, high. Okay, and off. Okay, so pretty straightforward. They're not very heavy either. Kind of surprised. The battery is built into the frame, obviously. So let's look at what all comes with this. Well, we've got a USB charger to charge the LEDs up. What is this? Oh, okay, a neck strap. A neck strap for the glasses so you don't have to put them down. A lens cleaning cloth. And here are the lens. And if you notice on the box, it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get it at the right angle there, but it says like 5x, 1.5x, 2.5x. These are the different lens, and they're stored in this case. That's kind of nice. Let's put one of these on and see how they look. It looks like they just slide in there, clip in there rather. Yeah, so they just snap in. Okay, it's not bad. It certainly magnifies, that's for sure. Yeah, so that's impressive. And another thing I noticed, there's a piece of foam along the front here, so that's kind of nice too. Overall, I want to say I'm not overly impressed, but I am certainly feeling like I got my money's worth, which was only $20 or $21. They look pretty good. I'm looking forward to giving them a try. I'll put a link to them in the notes of the video, and you can go check it out. That's all I got today, folks. Take care of yourselves and stay healthy, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.